Well, hello there. A long time no see. Well, I have the house to myself. I have this is Norway right now, by the way. It's been a while since I made a video, so I thought I was going to do that today. My only problem is that I don't have any ND filter for this lens. I had one before, but I sold my old Sigma 24 lens to buy this one, which I don't think I've made any videos on, or actually have made a lot of videos, but I haven't like posted them to YouTube or anything. Yeah, it's been a while and I can feel it. It's the odd connection between the camera. It's like you never get used to that if you don't do it like every day. I don't have a microphone because I also traded that one with a gimbal head for my tripod, because I'm a wildlife photographer now, apparently. No, I'm not. I don't like to see myself as one, because at which point do you become a wildlife photographer and not a landscape photographer? And like, it's much easier in Norway with the amount of light we have in the winter and all the snow. It makes it really tough. Like, you have to take advantage of every single hour in daytime to like actually use the existing outdoor lighting for your photos, and that can be quite a challenge with a normal job, like a 9 to 5, like some would say, and a kid. So like to balance that and to get time to do everything, it's not easy. But sometimes there's a small window, and that window is now. So I was thinking we would go to a new place. I have been at a place several times before, but not with camera. And since last time I have actually gotten a lot of new gear. So I wanted to start off with this video. And I will do what's in my camera bag video later on, when I get time. But you can get a quick look at what I'm going to use today. This might tell a story. Okay, so I have the GoPro with me, the GoPro Hero 9 Black, with an extra battery and a power bank and blah blah blah. And I have the 7200 right now, actually. Yeah, that's, you all know how good that is. But I also have this monster. This is the Sony 200 to 600. I'm sorry, it's a bad light here. And that thing is a beast of a lens. Yeah, we'll just skip to the location, and I'll see you there. Bye bye. Okay, so we're here. We're actually at a military base camp. I think there's some kind of practice here today, so I saw a lady coming from the area which I'm supposed to go into, and we gotta pick the pace up because it's only 1 hour of light left. So yeah, I think we're just gonna do it, check if we can come through, and yeah, we'll see you at the location further down the road. Just started walking. There's roughly a kilometer into the place. Looks like I actually could have taken the car, but I don't know how it is to park further down the road, so we just have to walk. Maybe we will see something on the way. Don't expect it to be a lot of activity at this point. It's midday, so yeah, but at least we'll get a small hike out of it. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna change to the 200-600 now in case we see something, so I have to be prepared. So I think I'm gonna switch to the GoPro, switching, and the GoPro will take over from here. Well, I'm halfway, I think, and I forgot the chair and I forgot the tripod. And yeah, did I tell you? Of course, like every decent spot in my area, it's like located nearby the airport.
Power on.
Okay, so I think we're gonna back out. Okay, going up here. I hope the road is a little bit cleared. Looks that way. Okay, we'll try to get up here. Oh. To make our way through some snow. Oh. That went fine. There's a truck here. Probably maybe sleeping or something. I will be parked here. Now we gotta get the fuck out before all the light is leaving us. Oh, I can hear it. The white-throated dipper. I can hear it as good and loud, as clear as a day. I can see it. It's at the exact same spot I saw it last time. And I can hear one more. Did you hear that? Fantastic. Oh, finally some luck. Well, I hope I'm not scaring it away. We'll see if I can get a proper shot of it from eye level. It was just sitting right across me there. I can hear them upstreams as well. We are in for a treat. The tripod. I forgot my gimbal, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it is. Perfect. We'll use a 2-second timer. Yes. I'm missing that branch. That's my dream. Please. Please, please, please. Okay. Back in the car. I need to go home and dry up, I think. But all in all, I think this was a successful mission, I think. We first went to the military area, or the military base camp. I had some doubts about the lens when I first bought it. I actually bought the 200-600 in, I think it was January, February 2022, and then it was winter. It was full on winter, and I had no clue what I was doing with it. Actually, I bought it because I thought it would be cool to get that compressed landscape shots. But the problem in my area is that we don't have a lot of mountains and like, or there is mountains, but not that kind of mountains. So I started thinking that, do I need this lens? Is this for me? Because I'm mostly a landscape photographer. So I decided that I would sell it. And since I became a photographer, I have wondered about if do I really need a 70-200? Is that for me? Because I've always shot my landscape shots on a 24mm, 85, or even a 50 back in the day. But I got a sweet deal on the 70-200 G Master, so I sold my 200-600. I used the money I got for I actually earned. I sold it for more money than I bought it for. So I had the chance to do a sweet deal on the 70-200 G Master. So I did that, and I love it. I decided to keep it, and by keeping it, I couldn't afford a 200-600 again. So the summer went on, and I started thinking, wow, I really want that lens. And then the Norwegian local photography shop had a campaign. It was the Sony cashback deal, and it was a fair price for it, and even got a gift card for like a print with a frame and everything. So I bought the deal, got the lens. I used the gift card to buy my mother a Christmas present. But the point is that I should have followed my gut feeling, because when I sold the 200-600, I had a bad feeling about it. But after all, it got sorted out, because now I have the 70-200 and I have the 200-600, and I'm debating if I'm gonna sell the 70-200 to maybe upgrade the camera. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna regret that as well, because it's so tack sharp that I don't know if it's worth it. And if I sell it, I don't think I'm ever gonna re-buy it. Yeah, and I'm sorry, I'm a little bit rusty talking to the camera. It's been a long time. I don't know if my last video was... I'm gonna check my channel video. Yeah, you can see. Not sure if it's focusing, but this is my channel, and the last video, that was 2 years ago. That was when we did the road trip in Norway, me and the boys, and I miss it. I really miss making videos. So expect a lot more of that if I can like get the GoPro up and running and remembering to charge all the batteries and at least get some ND filters for this setup. Okay, so this is probably it for this time, I think. Thanks for watching this. You can put a comment down below and tell me how you ended up watching this video. I will link all my gear down below in the description, and I will be back very soon with what's in my camera pack for 2023. Okay, so please subscribe if you want to. I will be much better at uploading videos this year. That's a goal I have. So please stay healthy and have a good evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.